In the case of the 5 or multiple axis machine, you're allowed to be able to complete the part with one chucking or one holding. The fewer times you have to re-chuck the part, the more accurate you can make that part for your customer. Hi, I'm Jake.
And I'm Tara.
And we're with Fairchild Automated Parts.
And we specialize in custom machine components.
We have a variety of machines. We have 2 and 3 axis basic lathes. We have 6 and 7 axis turning centers. We have 7 axis CNC Swiss style machines. And we do 3D printing, we do CNC machining, we do screw machining, we do 4 and 5 axis milling. This is a part that's a sample of some of the 5 axis machining we do. We like to work and partner with the customer and get involved early on in the design stage, because that's when we can do the most good. That's when we can save them money, and that's when I feel that we can give them the best value.
We do a wonderful job communicating with the customers.
I think a lot of times engineers will over-design a part and put more requirements. And for example, they'll ask for a radius on an edge when really all they're looking for is a chamfer. A chamfer is much easier to produce and doesn't require any tooling. A radius requires more machine movement and makes the part more expensive. We've been in business 76 years, and we've been working with our customers very closely and helping them reduce the cost of their parts. We look at the design, we find out what the function of the part is, and then that helps us determine what is the best material, what is the best sequence of machining, and what is the best way to come up with making a part at a fair price. Now, this is an example where we work with the engineers. We did a 3D printed sample, making sure that the form and the function of the part was correct. And then once he finalized the design and was happy with the features, we converted it into the intended material, 6061 aluminum. We do anywhere from 50 pieces up to 500,000 pieces. Depending on the quantity, we go to different style machines. We go to screw machines, we go to CNC machines, but we try to match the process with the quantity that you're buying. Materials range from plastic to cold rolled steel to brass, bronze, aluminum, even copper. We do stainless steels, we do heat treated materials, we also do the high temp steels like you find in aircraft engines. You want somebody like Fairchild, somebody that's quality, that's got a good reputation, that has a fair price, and is dependable and will stand by their product. It's absolutely all American made.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.